Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and now we're going to talk about what can we expect of Bitcoin and Ethereum to happen within the next hours. Okay, so let's have a closer look. You know, we broke out of this ascending triangle, and as of right now we even broke out, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, we broke out of this channel. Okay, guys, if you want to trade, check the links in the description. You will always get the highest available bonuses, okay? And you will also find my trading tutorials there. So let me show you guys what happened right now. Let's see. As you can see, we broke out of this channel. If you took the trade, always think about, you have to use a stop loss, don't get liquidated, and don't use a too high leverage. Okay, so as you can see here, we are above this white support line that has been going on since quite a long time. Okay, and as of right now you can see we broke, you see the red line, this is the most traded volume is at this price level at about $27,400 or $500. Okay, and as of right now Bitcoin, the price is above the VPVR line and the support line. Okay, so both lines are under the current price, so these two lines will act as support. And it's the weekend and the big players don't trade on the weekend, so and the descending channel is more likely to break out to the upside. So and the target would be up here, so $28,800. Okay, this would be a pretty nice move up there, but what can we expect now? Because I would say Sunday evening we have to wait until the Asian markets open, and when the Asian markets open, I guess that we could have a pump to the upside. Okay, because then the big players start trading, and this would also be the technical target of this breakout out of this descending channel, guys. Okay, so let's check out what's going on with Ethereum. Let me show you guys. We're gonna have a closer look here. So let me show you, as mentioned in yesterday's video, we are trading in this descending broadening wedge, and we broke out of this wedge. If you took this trade, don't forget to set a stop loss. Let me show you, first of all, we are now above the VPVR volume line at $1,754, which acts now, so to say, as support. Plus we are above this support line of about at the right price range of about $1,762. So we are now touching this white support line, which now acts as resistance, that has been going on since a couple of weeks. Okay, so this is a critical point right now. We have to see if we can even break above this line, because the technical target of this breakout here would be at the beginning of the descending broadening wedge, about $1,772. But we are also trading within this descending channel here. As you can see here, we can even extend the line here. So we have to break above this line with, let's say, at least a 4-hourly close. This would be very bullish. And then if you break out of this channel also, this would be even more bullish, because the price target would be up here at about $1,830, guys. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.